Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hide folders in Ubuntu. That's how to do it. Open your file manager app, which is the Dolphin. Let's say for example you want to hide this folder called don't open. What you have to do is to right click and rename it. You have to rename it to don't open. You have to make the dot be at the front. Click on enter. It will tell you adding a dot to the beginning of this folder name will hide it from view. Do you still want to rename it? Click on rename and hide, and now the folder will be hidden. So what if you want to unhide the folder? Simply click on Ctrl H. It's going to bring up all the hidden folders. As you can see right here, it is hidden. If you want to unhide it, simply remove the dot at the beginning and it's going to unhide the folder. So that's how you hide and unhide folder on Ubuntu Linux. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.